Welcome back to welcome back to the Steam Next Fest Icaria demo. Uh, I want to load it. Hello. Okay. This episode the plan is to finish the demo. Last time we okay, I put it a little bit on my side again. Um, Last time we tried, or we basically started with the first steps. To recapitulate, Icaria is basically Factorio uh, mixed with human resources machine. Mm. Last time we went to the second tech tier, and we tried to reach the fourth one to kind of see all of the content of the demo. The special feature is that you have kind of those drones, which you can okay, which you can extensively program. Like here with also deeper programming mechanics with if statements and while and abort and signals. So you can also like load subprograms depending on like a certain signal and so on. So quite extensive. Mm. Yeah. Last time we tried to finish, or the next step would be to build a crane. Yeah, a crane. I think the crane is there for mining, but I'm not 100% sure. Because like one of the criticisms, as I last told, was that the build menu with B, that like there's no like the descriptions there are not so really good. But we'll see. Or they added them, or last time I didn't see it so good. Anyway. Um Ready. And the grass is empty again. We should start building storage here. Then here from there. Then the plan is to store the grass, like the biomaterial there. So we have constant energy. Currently we're still kind of waiting for backlog here to build up. Currently we have quite a bit of an energy shortage. I think the music is nice in the background. Soothing. I'm still a bit unhappy about the what to say, the energy. And now we don't have. We should try to get. Now let's. Can we maybe build a? Where is it? I want to build a. So okay, let's build a chainsaw one. Then we will let one of the bots pick up the chainsaw. Pick chainsaw. Then we will see. Oh, okay. I want you to tree. Then it says even like a small little chainsaw there, and with arms and so on. Okay, that's quite cute. Can you take that, or do you? Can you take that? So you can take multiple. Maybe go here. Then drop it off. Ah, okay. Take. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And maybe we can do this a bit more efficiently. Okay. Let's have you continue to do grass fuel. And we will get another dose, and then do you even take normal wood? Yes, technically. Or just assume. I think it should. Okay, then let's build another robot. Drone. And then we will have you. Okay, technically we would need to always plant and always. How about we get okay. You chop down trees. No. Technically we need a new area with trees, and then always like in a loop up down and oops. No, I want to I don't need a terrain filter. Or do I need a terrain filter? Technically. Mature tree, bush, seedling, young tree, old tree. How about mature tree? But I don't think it will work like that. Okay, can I delete you again? Delete. Then let's do it here because I think it's a better idea here. Let's get that area and then do mature and old trees. And then oh, forest way. Ah, fuck. Anyway, no forest way. Okay, so you go to. Okay, technically I need to. Also need. Can I? I am not entirely a big fan of it. Can you also log pile? Okay. Okay, that sounds okay. But then you go to forest there. And then you chop down a tree. And then you just loop that. We save that action as tree chop. Then we give you the row. Don't have a name. Why do you not have a name? Eh. Okay, I think I'm doing anyway. Okay, I should do that slower. Okay. Okay. Then you go to where is forest? Then you take. I want you to take lock, and then you go to here, do this thing, and then you give, and then you loop. Can I? I cannot do like a. Okay, so we have to drag it a bit, but it should still work. And now, lock hole. Ta-da! Okay, cool. You're now. I think I should give. I want more lock colors. I want that you have a roll. Save as a roll. Wood work. And your I thought they have like create new role edit action. I want uh damn it. I think I have maybe thrown away what I did before anyway. Okay, no, you're not a lock holder, you're action, clear action. Uh, I want that. Yeah, I think now I've hold a bit. Anyway, I want that you stop it. Tree chop. Okay, we're back to tree chopping. You're now also a woodworker. Color. I technically need also someone to plant the trees again. Uh, We need someone to plant the seeds again. Okay, release, and then use a row, woodworker, and you will be want to create thing. I will. You go to forest. You plant the seed somehow. Plant the seed. Repeat. Either. I'm not sure if there's either. Like, do I need something to plant the seed? To be honest, I don't know. Uh, plant a seed to grow a tree. While the tree remains a seedling, you can, actually, I don't really know how I plant seeds, but it will surely work. Also, I want another drone for just my personal, like to grab the last logs here. But I'm pretty certain that how I set this thing up here, it is not really working. But, well, technically I would need to check if and so on. If statements. Okay, release the drone. Go there. Take log. Can you take multiple things? No, you can only take one. The drones are not really efficient. Give here. Take log. Go here. Take log. Here. Give log. Here. Here. Log. Here. Good. So it's almost enough that the trusses are finished. So then we will get a backlog of iron and so on again, so we can build that stuff. Hmm. Change the. I think now the logs will at least be. Okay, they won't be transported away all sadly because. You can only take when you're actually there. Ah, damn it. At least I have something to do while. Or. Something to do while. The stockpile is filling up. wood thing did not really work out as I wanted to, but yes, fine. But I think I could have maybe like placed multiple like areas above each other, like one area that is like always updating for like the slopes and the other one that is updating for the trees. So to have like two areas overlapping each other, but yeah. I'll see how the trusses are going. Medium. Seems like it is. That's a problem. Because I don't have an iron ore. Technically, okay, there's enough iron ore technically. That's actually an energy problem or what? Yeah, it's an actual energy problem. Ah, that's annoying. Okay, yeah, then let's try to fix it. The thing is, I still don't know how to place seeds. How to seed. How does the seeding work? How do I seed? No rule book. Item browser. Seeds. Ah, okay. Spruce cone, aspen seeds, acorn. Plant this with a drone to grow pine tree. Needs 2 meter clear. Okay, so I would do. Hey, interesting. Can I collect those stuff? Okay, first of all, I think I will delete you. Delete. Hello? I want to. No, I want to delete you now. I want to be few. I want you to. I want you to go away. Construct X. I want you to go away. So, okay, then let's have a new area where we. Okay, in that filter, can we technically stockpiles thing country? I think there's a forest, so from time to time, technically there should be. So then let's have a mature tree in it and a old tree, and then we that is a forest. So and then we have first we let the woodworker do his thing. We chop. Okay. And then do a new thing. Goes like here. And that is uh the neural logs. And then the log callers. They don't go to a forest. They go to logs. And save that. Continue that programming. Okay, and there's our idle one, so there, and then logs will be transported, slowly be hauled away. Well, okay, now we achieved basically what we originally intended with. Can we change the color palette? Change the team. Okay. Why are you not picking up that? Okay, ironically enough, it says it's a seed, but it looks like a lock. Okay. Or can we maybe go there? And then take... Okay, it says nut. Then plant seed. And then we basically wait till the forest expands to here again. Okay. Can only do more or less wait. Could also designate another forest, but then we should maybe do that here. Let's designate another forest here. Mature tree and wood tree. Designate others. Okay, which does like this. Yeah, I want to read you extra. It as well looks. Then which and not a forest. Stop. You're not a forest. You're logs. Oh, you can run out of battery. I didn't know that. So in that zone, our drones are not running out of power. Okay, that is good to know. Then we should maybe edit up forest way, up down tree, and then go to. Oops, not that. We go to here, and then like do our rounds. Is it full? Yeah, this is full. Okay, but we don't have. Let's have and dismantle. And now I think we also have enough resources for a crane, maybe. Was the original goal of this whole thing. Let's have it here because I don't know what it does. Be quite frank. And then we what it actually roll connection. Can you not? Yeah, you cannot take, but can you? That's annoying. That you waste. Always. Uh, so, on this assembly item. Still don't really know what you do, to be honest. What can you do? Hammer and dismantle. You can dig. You can give. Take. But I think you can maybe like dig here. Okay. I think I'm almost finished with mine. Okay. Let's go to the next tier. The next tier is what are you? Blast furnace. For blast furnace, we unlocked hammer mill, biomass. Okay, so we can refine biomass. Medium storage and blast furnace. In a hammer mill, we can refine organics into biomass. Okay, just uh, what do we need for do yes, we cement. How do okay, I didn't want to. I don't want to really deal with that. Can you take yes limestone and mudstone and dirt? Why not this? Then sand, dirt. Hammer, we can use it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's just keep it like that. And this is rural grass. We have to grass things. Then bring it. and build. Like my mind would like say that we build like a storage for the end products, but the thing is also that the works also off demand, so also don't see we mind. Ideally, it doesn't, but I don't know. Or we have more iron. I don't know, we here or uh, eh, oh, click. So now everything should work. Here's to the unassembling and disassembling. Now the iron. There's also a lot of iron in there, so I don't. So technically, it shouldn't really be a problem. Yeah, let's think about how to. It would be good to have like a split here. Or nah. Um. First, the running iron fire, but it should. Maybe we can like pause here, and then we should have enough iron to build. Or are you still producing a bunch of motors? But you use copper. The iron goes. Ah, okay, yes, still building. Okay, okay. Build. Good conveyor. So, what do you... Uh, eh. So you just take whatever and then... RM? Okay, then you just... Yeah, I don't really want that. That's... Okay, the conveyor bridge concept does not really work how I wanted to. Fine. Enough. Okay, that's not good. That is not really working how I would. Have a split thing over here. That's kind of want to remove that thing because it's not really useful. Yeah, let's just put it. Or then let's build a film. Okay, we don't have. Let's put it here. But then we don't have an output. Okay, let's manually transfer. I'm a bit set up, to be honest. That thing. No. You go. So, well, technically, I need to. Let's. Uh, where is the? Let's build 2 robots. Those robots will be recyclers, and we will just pick up everything and dump it in bits. We'll give recycler and get two, two, two. Let's you take everything here, and then give, and then I'm confused. Why do you not do your job? You have stuff in you. Why do you not? I have to directly dump it in. Yeah, that's script. Oh, I don't see the problem. Like, why? I don't want a filter. I just want that you do something. Fine. Use a raw resource to refine into yours. Just take something. That's stupid. Best. Storage is empty. Am I? Yeah, just take like hello. Granite. Still, still, mudstone. Don't take anything. Shovel? There is missing item. Operation failed because the request. Eh. A rock with high calcium content used to. Okay, let's do it the old-fashioned way. Go with food and you need to dig. Okay. You don't. Okay. Ray, and I think also. Aha, okay. Is it now updated for all recyclers? Seems so. Can I pick? Okay, put you on automatic, and then it should work itself out. Okay, then get areas where it is, and then I will have a drone that goes to here, or what is the recipe? Bake it. I got to. I think I need. Okay. Oh god, this blast furnace big. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Need 150 B. So, but technically now. Okay, that's not good. I want that you don't trust organics anymore, to be honest. Because then the organics don't get refined. Biomass 38, and that want. I want that you take. How are the woods doing? Okay, they are having power problems. You need a stop. Go to here. Where are the lock holders? Are they stuck somewhere again? Oh, holders? I think I have also to put a step in between. Okay. Limestone, where do you not refine it? Or okay. Ever if limestone. Okay, it worked again until it didn't. Why do you? Finally. Other things. So we have one created and of silicate. I okay. So big then you set as blocks that are not whole. At least there's something. Slowly stuff happening. Wave function and let's build 5 drones. Yeah. There's now we only need to get many definitely. Okay. And that I want 100 times to be honest, but well, I guess still infinity here. Now go. Yeah, until error. How much concrete F5? Because you're that's not okay. Then that's miscategorized. That's a bit annoying, but well, it is. But there's at least it's slowly the. But, do we already have it on 4 times speed? Yeah. Okay. And basically, we only have to wait, and then overall, I think I said it already in the last episode. I think it has quite a lot of potential. In retrospective, like building up and down regarding like the 3D topography is a bit annoying. I think it would be nice to have ramps and so on with the conveyor belts and in general maybe the terrain is a bit flatter. It's like easier to have a free build or a way to like level. I think to be honest, it's nice to have like the item that you need to level terrain, but I think it would be also more intuitive to have like feature that lets you level terrain in the sense of that you give like drone like the level terrain command, and then it flattens the terrain in a certain area to your liking. I think that would be a bit more intuitive. For example, if I want to expand like here, then I would need to place the thing and so on. So yeah. If you want, you could also make it like more efficient in a way that like you collect the sand and then you build like a block out of it, and then you can like place it. Or I think I expressed this the wrong way. Basically, you have like a material that's called fillet, and then the drones can place it to level the terrain. I think that would be nice. But like this, it's like a little bit with the leveling bomb, a little bit annoying. Also, the energy mechanic is not so intuitive at first. I think it would be smart to at least mention it in the tutorial regarding like the what is the red circle and so on, and that you can like use this thing to power stuff and so on. I think otherwise regarding the drones and the I think regarding the loop, it would be smart to have like a loop that executes a certain amount of time at times, or that like the normal loop thing has like a count mechanic, like, or you give it like 100 and then it does it like 100 times. Anything else? Yeah, the area thing is like a little bit unintuitive, but other than that, I think it has like a solid foundation. Like for example, that like it would have been nice to have like this one, that the area tool like a little bit bigger, so you don't have like these blocks outside of thing, and then you have to make like a new area, like to have it like as a creature of comfort. But I think in general, it is has like a solid foundation regarding the mechanic of the drones and so on. It is quite interesting. Um, like just to remind that like Factorio also didn't start out with like full on the whole depth of its current thing. Like so, I think currently it's a good like foundation to start on. The programming mechanic is quite intuitive. It's like is similar to human resource machine, like in its build that you have like the building blocks of your quote unquote code, and then do stuff with it. Um, yeah, I think is there a notebook robot roster? Okay. Okay, yeah, that's what I kind of searched for. Okay, yeah. I wanted to complain that's like a little bit tricky sometimes to find your robots, but yeah, you have the robot roster. That's pretty cool. Something else. I think it's most like there's still like some kinks and so on, but like overall, like creature comforts that I desire a little bit and some explanations. But other than that, I think it's quite solid. Um, yeah, yeah, style is also interesting. Um, the conveyor belts sometimes are a bit unintuitive because like sometimes they snap to some stuff that you want to not snap to. Also, I'm not 100% sure what the crane is for. That's also quite irony. But I think maybe you can like dig here. Uh-huh. Dig. Yeah, okay, I guess that's what it's for, and then yeah, okay. I guess then I found the then let's move it to okay, I found the purpose of the crane, and then yeah, okay. Well, I guess I found the purpose of the crane, so we could maybe Okay. Then I think technically we could like assign an area. Okay. Let's move in here. I think we could like assign an area here. Choose a role. Let's have it grain. Let's say it's grain thing. Then we have grain editor that we say first we do a loop, and we do grain, then tick, tick, then we do here, and then we give, and then we something filled up. What filled up? What's your thing? Why do you not? The storage filled up. Why did your storage fill up? It filled up with cement because I don't need cement. Okay. Me take splitter here, do medium thingy, and then take all the cement here. Build medium storage. Put it here, then have like a mix. Then okay, I need a new drone. Bum, please. Then double disassemble. Then we build a T-junction. T-junction. Okay, works like this. That it connects the build. No, wrong direction. Okay. What is missing? Iron is missing, ironically enough. Do I need more iron? No, I have technically enough of it. I don't have enough energy for it. Be refined, I guess. Yeah, and also so many spanner thingies. Let's set you to none. Then you should keep all the iron. Yeah. Now you request. Request. I want that you request annually. And wait, cement. Uh, where is your malfunction? I think they are actually not connected. That would be annoying. They don't connect to each other. We have to. is your problem? It's no building. What? Oh. It's annoying. It is really annoying. God, that's annoying. Yeah, that's like the thing where I want to have a ramp, like, get like here or something like that. I just build a small storage and then whatever. He doesn't want me to do that either. You demand. Can we just build it here? I've split it there. I hope it works. Otherwise I will be annoyed. Okay. And then like this, and then the other one is, I don't know. I just extracted many. Just extract. Have a loop. Then up. Go to pick. Go to first you here, then you here, then you here, here, then take concrete cement, and then you then I don't know why cement goes in there. I don't really see the purpose. Anyway, it slowly clears out, so should be fine-ish, soon-ish. Ah, the cement is actually needed here, but why do you not? I'm confused. Cement is used. No. Yes, you need. Yes, you need cement. Why do you? Is there a backlog? The amount of cement? The one drop and drop. So um, yeah, you have a lot of cement. And what? And this? Limestone. %of the time I'm just gonna play. It's not working as yeah, that's kind of the I'm annoyed about. 90% of the time I don't know like what's up. The little bit bitty things are really antenna so expansion. I don't really want to the relay antenna thing. I think that's I will get the 100 complete or try. Okay, I think more or less like with this demo. If you want to try it out, I think it's still available after the Steam Next Fest. And with that, it is a quite interesting game. There's still some things that are not really transparent. Sometimes it's like a, a bit like recoding. The debugging is the most annoying part. But in this case, it's not like the actual program code of the drones, but like why, for example, this one is not doing what it should. Like, why does it not automatically like throw out the cement? And like also like the small thing that yeah, that I cannot route yeah, like some of the small things that are like not really unclear with the models and so on. I think other than that, it has like I think like I already told like 5 or 6 times, it has quite a bit of the potential. Still a bit rough around the edges. The concept overall is interesting. But what I feel is that it's maybe a little bit like the thing that I'm a little bit worried about, or the thought that popped up is, um, you already have like combinators and so on in Factorio, and it is like more polished and so on. So if you want to get your programming fix, that like you could like either like get a Factorio mod, or there's like more programming oriented games in like I already told like Human Resources Machine, or there's also the other game that I forgot the name of, that you also like have like battle bots that like you expand your territory and so on, but that is like actual coding. I think it's based on Java. So yeah, for that. But I think it definitely has like an audience in general. And with that, overall, I'm still like quite satisfied with the demo. Yeah, but it will be interesting to follow. I think for an early access game, it already has quite a bit of content. I think we could like also sit another like 2 hours here to try to full on like set up the antenna and so on. I'm also curious how it will be expanded regarding like resources and so on, because I think there's still a bit of things that you could do. For example, like whole the whole fluids thing is not implemented, or like other ways of getting energy, or as far as I saw, was not implemented. Like getting gas, oil. Okay. I guess here it is. Okay, and then you can like microwave relay extends the communication range of your communication center to build a relay. First, craft a relay antenna using your printer and use a drone to replace the antenna where you want relay. Coke blast furnace. Creates a blast furnace using concrete produced to clean. Bring a garage first can let you create extra drones. But the blast furnace turns biomass and logs into coke, which you can use to higher quality fuel. Okay. You can make relays which let you explore farther into the wilderness. Okay. I guess this one is like the wilderness, but I think it would be nice like to have like a more dense fog of war and not like this, because it gives me a little bit like vibes of stuff glitching out, to be honest. But here, like if I move in and out, I would be more happy about a fog of war, or like a texture being over it that you have like that it's like unscanned, like similar to like the Anno 2070 thing, where you had like the grid lines and so on that like shows you that you still have to expand there or something like that. But with that said, I will end it here. That has been the Icaria demo of the Steam Next Fest 2025. And with that, if you want more long form content like that, if you want more long form content than that, subscribe to my secondary channel, Plumber Fun Raw. And if you want more short form content, reviews and so on, then subscribe to my main channel, Plumber Fun. And with that, Plum out.